Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix copy paste not working on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, make sure that your keyboard is working fine. So in my case it is working fine, as you can see. So suppose you are copy paste through Ctrl C Ctrl V, so make sure that your keyboard is working fine. If it is not, then just go to your settings. So for that you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. On this window you just need to click on system from your left side, and on your right side you just need to click on troubleshoot over here and click on other troubleshooters, and here you will get a keyboard troubleshooter option. So click on this run button to fix your keyboard. Okay, after done you just need to right click on your start menu, click on task manager, go to processes over here from here and find Windows Explorer. Okay, so here it is, as you can see. Now right click on Windows Explorer and click on restart. After done, close this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to check your copy paste is working or not. If still your problem is there, then just go to your start or search menu, type over here msconfig and press enter from your keyboard. Now under system configuration you will get general, so make sure that startup section you have selected normal startup, and go to your services. Here you just need to click on hide all Microsoft services. Now click on disable all. Okay, now click on apply, then OK. After that you just need to restart your PC. So currently I will not click on apply or OK because it will stop my recording. So I will close this window. After done, you just need to restart your PC and check your copy paste is working or not. Still if you are facing same issue, then I will suggest you to create a new user profile account. So for that you just need to open CMD. So just go to your start menu, type CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. So now what I'll do is I will create new account. So the command is called net user, then space. Here I just need to put my new user account name. In my case I will put over here, you can put anything, like I will put over here new, then space, then your password, your account password. In my case I will set for an example 123, then space, then you have to put over here, means type over here /add. Okay, now press enter from your keyboard. Now you just need to log in from that account which you have created and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.